Yeah, hi Professor. TA in the class of 5810, section 001. I'm here to record the video for the reading assignment 1. I took Siman open source knowledge discovery tool topic as the reference from the paper reading list. Coming to the summary, here the author brings the skill set gap between the non-technical researchers such as biologists and clinicians to perform data analysis in a simple way instead of learning the complex programming languages using the open source software Simon to facilitate the application of machine learning to the high dimensional biomedical data. There are around 180 plus machine learning algorithms and very easy to use software. Simon stands for, in simple terms, we can state Simon as open source automated machine learning software. Coming to the features of Simon, it has 180 plus machine learning algorithms to choose from. For example, if we can see that there are non-technical researchers who has some raw data, and by using Simon, and if we upload the raw data with the help of Simon algorithms which are already existing in the Simon tool, will give you some meaningful data. And the second feature in Simon is that easy to use graphical user interface and no programming skill is required. For any raw data to be presented in a perfect way, for better understanding, for even for a non-technical common user can explore a new future in Suman tool where we have the graphical representation of the data which looks clean and understandable for every user. The third feature is that automated approach for machine learning and statistical analysis method. And the fourth feature is that standardized pipelines. And the fifth feature is that identifying the optimal algorithms. And the last and the foremost feature of Simon is that it helps both the non-technical and technical researchers to identify crucial patterns in the data. So, like post features of Simon, coming to the Simon, Simon played a key role for the non-technical researchers to understand how to apply machine learning methods and translate them into meaningful insights. So as I already said, Simon stands for sequential iterative modeling overnight. Machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence, is a computational approach developed to identify patterns from the data in order to make predictions on new data. This paper addresses the biggest challenge, which is the proper application of ML methods and the translations of the results into meaningful insights. There is an increased effort to harmonize all the libraries and develop a software that will facilitate application of ML in life sciences, which programming languages like R and Python fail to make accessible for researchers, especially from non-programming background. So the fast paced technological developments has dramatically increased the size of biological datasets and the computational power needed for analysis. Therefore, open source web-based software supporting cloud processing architecture is essential. To address these challenges, we develop a Siemens, like a sequential iterative modeling overnight, a free and open source software for applications of ML in life sciences that facilitates production of high performing ML models and allow researchers to focus on knowledge discovery process. Simon provides a user-friendly uniform interface for building and evaluating predictive methods models using a variety of ML algorithms. This is the summary of Simon, where we covered the features why Simon is a key role for the non-technical and technical people, and then on why what challenges are we facing in R and Python. How did they fail to make accessible for researchers, for especially for the non-programming students? Keeping all this in mind, the researchers has developed they developed the Simon tool, and this is the summary of the Simon. Coming to the critical analysis, the author presents the paper with an introduction to problems encountering to perform data analysis using programming languages such as R, Python, and slowly address the solution by introducing the tool Simon. As I have already said in the summary, if we can see, the author has introduced a new tool called Simon for the technical people or the non-technical people to get the solutions from the data analyzing, using not only using the programming language, but using with the Simon tool. A lot of information is being provided on the necessity to build a GUI based tool, graphic user interface based tool, to bridge the gap between subject material experts and the ML developers. This research allowed advanced ML users to focus on other important aspects necessary to build highly accurate models, such as data pre-processing, feature engineering, and model development. The detailed analysis of resulting results using Seman are included in the paper that covers AUROC, precision recall curve, data pre-processing, generation of training, validation, and test sets, in addition to the server version of the tool. Getting to know about this GUI based data analytics tool is biggest takeaway from reading this paper. This is what my critical analysis is about. The questions to discuss here is that the author could have listed few more ML algorithms such as regression, classification, or time series to compare the results, and the biological data sets are very hard to comprehend, give their verbose. The author could have concentrated on few parameters such as IgA2 signature instead of many. Like, thank you.